Hi there. Here are 3 English sentences. See the match. Look at the match. Watch the match. All 3 sentences are related to eyes, your vision. But are all these 3 sentences correct? Let's find out. See, look, and watch always confuse many English students. Although all these 3 words are used to talk about your sense of sight, that is, using your eyes. But they have different meanings. Let's understand how to use them correctly in today's English lesson. The first verb, look. When we look at something, we try to see. We make a special effort to see something. We concentrate our eyes to find something. We turn our eyes in a specific direction. For example, look at that car, there's no driver. If you look in the top drawer, you will find candles. The people turned to look at the man who was abusing. Ryan looked at all the shirts and finally selected one to try on. I looked into the pinhole before opening the door. People should look carefully before they cross the road. Look at the crowd, there must be something happening there. Did you notice? In all these examples, someone is moving their eyes in a specific direction or concentrating their eyes on something. So when you carefully look at something or make an effort to see something, always use look. I hope that is clear. Now let's look at the verb see. We use see when something comes in front of our eyes. Unlike look, we don't make an effort. As soon as we open our eyes, we see something. It's not deliberate, we just notice something. We don't focus or concentrate while seeing something. Here are some example sentences. From the back of the building, you can see the metro station. Have you seen my mobile phone anywhere? I can't find it. Let me know if you see some mistakes in my presentation. My grandfather can't see anything without his glasses. Did you see how excited the crowd was when the actor arrived? Can you see that airplane up there? Yesterday we saw a rabbit in the garden. I am sure with these examples, it's easy to understand how to use the verb see. Now let's move on to watch. The verb watch is used a bit differently than see and look. We use watch when we are more active observing something. Watch is somewhat similar to look, but needs more effort from our eyes. We generally watch moving things or follow something that's happening over a period of time, such as a cricket match or a movie. Let's look at some examples. We were watching a film when the phone rang. The whole family went to watch the New Year's light show. The owner watched the dogs play. Ryan decided to stay home and watch the tennis match on TV. The police decided to watch for any suspicious movements. Watch the milk on the stove and make sure it doesn't spill. The students watched the teacher attentively as she showed them the experiment. That's how you use watch in sentences. Let's quickly revise. We use look when we take an effort to see something. See is used when we notice something. We don't make an effort. We just notice something that comes in front of our eyes. And finally, watch. We use watch when we follow something attentively, such as a match or a movie. It's mostly used for moving things. That's all for today. I hope you got the difference between these 3 common English verbs. Don't confuse them next time and use the right verb. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you soon with one more useful English lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing.